Everybody, it's TJ Barker with Ross Mortgage Corporation, located in Fallston, Maryland. Today I want to go ahead and discuss with you credit repair, or what I would call credit optimization. So, what is it? Well, basically, you see it all the time, right? You see advertisements on Facebook, you see it on Craigslist, you see signs on the side of the road saying, hey, fix your credit in 90 days or less. Well, that's true. Look, there's a lot of companies that are out there that understand some of the loopholes in the Fair Credit Reporting Act. They'll go ahead and take advantage of those loopholes and charge you a large amount of money to go ahead and repair your credit. But there's a couple things that they don't tell you, right? The biggest thing is, one, before you start going down that path of trying to repair your credit and old items or inaccurate items off of your credit file, you need to make sure that you have your finances in order. So what I mean by that, I mean that you want to go ahead and make sure, one, you're not applying for a ton of credit, two, that anything that you have past due, you have either caught up or you have paid off, or you've made payment arrangements that you're consistently making payments on those bills, right? Three, you want to make sure that your balances on your credit lines are 50 to 40% or less. So obviously 40% or less is the best, but get it to where you can. So again, you want to pay down some of those bills. Now, once you have those items under control, and again, you've caught up, you've made payment arrangements, you paid some stuff off, maybe you settled some items, or whatever the case may be, and you're feeling comfortable, that's when you want to go ahead and start working on your credit score. So, well, as I said, you can go out and you can pay a company a lot of money to go ahead and do it for you, or you can do it yourself, which is the path that we typically recommend. So, the group that we recommend, it's called a system called Credit Repair Magic. Go ahead and click the link right down there, and we'll go ahead and tell you a little bit more about the system. It's extremely affordable. I think it's only like $95, $99 or something like that. And you can purchase that, and it's going to teach you exactly what to do, how to do it, how to repair and rebuild your scores. So it's absolutely what we recommend. Don't pay someone $300, $400, $500 a month for something that you can do yourself. But as I said before, the biggest thing before you go down that route, go down that path, is get your finances under control. That's going to have the biggest impact on your credit score of anything you can do. So, all right, if you have any questions, please give us a call at 410-241-1622. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.